Hey guys, this is Royal Enfield Continental GT 650 BS6 Dux Deluxe variant. So I am gonna review for the first time in my channel. So please do subscribe my YouTube channel Ride with Noel. So we gonna review Continental GT 650. So guys, the first review, believe me, it's a wonderful bike, Continental GT 650. It's like a song and an ode to the cafe racers from the 60s. It took the intensity of the voltage guitar and blends it perfectly with the melody of magical vocals. Back in the 50s and 60s, the British bikers used to strip their bikes all the panels and race from the one cafe to another. The rock and roll era where the bikers used to tuck and roll raised back from the glorious ashes of GT250 and breathed life into its body by harassed performance. The Continental GT 650 comes across a lucky early song where electronicals take a back seat and the pure soul of motorcycling takes over. This is the Dutch Deluxe black and white color, one among the four colors launched this year 2021, including Rocker Red and Venturous Storm British Racing Green from the chrome. We still have the Mr. Clean through the whatever might be the color. This bike is a royal painting with the clean lines and the raw feel of timelines design. The right equipment is run out from the freaking mind price tag is what makes this an outstanding proposition. Still, the talking about what's new, well, first are the tires. We no longer get the relays, but we now instead get the seat crew styles what kind of do the job. So long as you are not the type who scrapes his or knees through the corner of the track, the tires are 18 inches and we continue to get the tubeless tires and brakes as the good. And the massive 320mm front disc and the 240mm rear disc, and we do get the dual channel ABS as standard. Which means the ABS is operational both on the front as well as the rear wheel. Talking about the suspension, we get the chunky 41mm front forks and the twin gas charge shock absorbers at the back, tank capacity 13.7 liters, which offers the decent tank range. Twin pad instrumental console misses out tripper navigation model for the now, but it still offers the all over the relevant into the seat height at 804mm, which is the maximal range of the riders. Of the size, ground clearance is 174, which means you need not worry about the bike scrapping into the bottom. So talking about the speed breakers of the Ming, sure fundamentally is a tubal steel frame that offers the rock solid powering. The bike is oil cooled, fuel injected BH6 complement 648cc parallel twin engine, and the puts out 47 bhp of max power, 7000 rpm, and the maximum torque at the 52,050 rpm. We get a speed gearbox of 6, and the ex-showroom price Dux Deluxe experience is 2,99,830, but actually price range starts from 3 lakhs from ex-showroom. So now that's a given a quick overview. Let's go ahead my ride experience on road. So guys, this is Royal Enfield Continental GT 650 BS6 Dux Deluxe variant, black and white color. It looks nice and classy. performance by Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. This variant is fabulous, and the twin cylinders.
Yeah.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you?